Hey guys, welcome to Jamir Vlog. Jamir Vlog.
Ngayon magtatanong tayo ng mga questions kay Brother Dem.
Quiet. So, first I interview si Brother Dem. So, we'll get back to you.
Okay guys, so we are here with Brother Dem. Now we're gonna ask him a few questions about electricity. First question, brother, what are the things that you usually do with electricity?
Good afternoon. Thank you for that question. I think electricity is very important in our life, especially at night. We need lights, we need energy, especially for shower, for water. So everything goes with energy, with electricity.
Thank you, brother. Now for our second question, what do you think will you do if there's no electricity?
Well, if there is no electricity, then we go back to the basic, to the very essential way of life. Just like living in villages, no electricity, so we use improvised lamp. So we exert a lot of energy, but life is simple but still possible.
Now, brother, for our last question, what do you think is the importance of our electricity?
So electricity, I think, makes our life easier. So without electricity, of course, we need more effort, we need more energy. But with electricity, life becomes simple and easy and more comfortable. So I think that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kakatapos lang namin interview si Brother Dem.
Yep.
Tapos
Paano?
ngayon interview namin yung
Uy,
iba.
Ripalo! Uy, ba't kami ihi? Bawal yan! It's a tree line! Tara, balik. Okay guys, going to the teacher now. Another. Teacher.
Guys, ngayon tatanungin na namin si Ma'am Villanueva.
Tara na tayo.
Ngayon kumakain pa siya. Hintayin lang namin.
Jamir Vlog, let's go!
Okay guys, since kumakain pa si Ma'am, let's just greet back.
May green bell! You're interviewing the Vice of St. John, and our interviewer is Mr. Wilson. Okay. So for the first question, what are the things you do with electricity?
Well, I know how to take electricity. I use it for lighting, heating, cooling, and for operating different kinds of appliances. Even here in school.
So for the second question, what do you think will be the if there's no electricity?
It's a little bit difficult for me right now because I've been used to using electricity. There's none. Light is decent on, and therefore I would go back to the old way, which is to use candles when lighting up the space, and use gas in cooking.
For the last question, what do you think is the importance of electricity?
Electricity is really important because it makes our life easier, more interesting, more entertaining. Thank you very much.
What's up guys?
Vlogs here. We are going to Dilubyo kami. We are already going to end this video because we're already done. So
Yeah.
please subscribe to our channel and like.
We don't have a channel.
Comment down below.
Yeah.
May green bell. Oh man.
So we back in the mine, got our pickaxe swinging from side to side, side to side. This task a grueling one, hope to find some diamonds tonight, diamonds tonight. Heads up, you hear a sound, turn around and look up.